Fujifilm, Ascend Performance Materials, Greenwood Mills, what do they all have in common? All need water for their manufacturing processes. Lake Greenwood provides water for the Greenwood Commission of Public Works, which has the capacity to process an additional 17 million gallons per day at their current treatment plant. The Greenwood Metropolitan District has an excess capacity for an additional 7 million gallons per day of wastewater treatment.
Ascend Materials is a privately owned company, vertically integrated. The raw materials start in our Chocolate Bayou, Texas plant, are then further processed in both Alabama and Florida, and then shipped up to here where we make nylon 6/6, flake, and fiber. The facility was originally started here because of where the customer base was, as well as a good location for both water and electrical supply, which we are big consumers of both in this area. From the facility here, we ship worldwide. We're a global company. We have the ability to ship out of the ports in both Charleston, Savannah, or down to Mobile, where our other company's location is based. We also have rail service here for both materials coming in and shipping out finished product, as well as a very good infrastructure for shipping by truck.
Greenwood is important to Covidien because we are centrally located very close to suppliers and our distribution channels. We make very large, bulky products, and transportation costs are extremely important to us. You know, as an example, we, as just one raw material, transport 19 truckloads of pulp into the location to make our daily requirements. And outgoing, there are about 45 to 50 trucks that leave our DC docks a day to service the distribution channel. So you can imagine how important the transportation is to us. And so we locate ourselves very close to distribution hubs like Atlanta, Charlotte, or even the Charleston seaport.
The reason that it's important that we are based here and we are market that around the world is we have a very good employee base here, very good focus on quality. So as we are competing on a worldwide basis, we're competing against quality. And our employees and their knowledge of the products, the customers, and the processes here allow us to stand out with a quality product.
Here at the Ascend site here in Greenwood, one of the good things is we have, a lot of good teamwork, within the specific businesses as far as BCF, industrial fibers, and also polymer, but between the businesses as well as far as teamwork, because of course you do have to utilize a lot of different areas of the plant to be successful, as far as the utilities group, the maintenance group, the engineering group, and also operations as well. So for me, I have seen that the majority of people here at the plant, they do want us to be successful as far as the place that they work, as far as being the Ascend Greenwood facility.
I think what makes Greenwood the right place for us now is the ability to benchmark and work with our peers in the local area to do some best practice sharing and make sure that we understand what businesses and other manufacturers are doing to stay competitive.
Interesting story, Lake Greenwood, an 11,400 acre lake, is owned by Greenwood County. It is not controlled by the federal government through FERC. It's not controlled by the power companies. So we have, Greenwood County controls the outflow to some extent. So we're blessed with, in the drought conditions that we've seen the last 5 to 6 years, we still have excess water capacity.
I don't think you'll find a more cooperative community or county government or city government than we have here in Greenwood. For the last 25 years that Fuji's been here, we've had a very good relationship with them, and whatever, not only Fujifilm but other industries in the area need to continue their growth, whether it be water, sewer, infrastructure, those kind of things. The county has always been very cooperative. They're usually one step ahead of us, but if there's anything in particular that you need to make your business successful, they've always been very helpful in getting those things done for us.